From your memory, I need you to replicate the sounds of these characters. Yoshi. No, that's like Mario. What do you mean, wahoo? Or remember. Wow. There's that.
Yucky.
Bloop. Is that right? When he like eats the apple?
Yeah.
Yoshi.
I always think it's
Baby
that.
Yoshi. Yoshi. Yoshi.
Oh,
Awesome.
that was good. Whoa. Whoa. Toad.
I think that was the Toad one that I did. I think that one before it was Toad.
Remember.
Wow. Mario, what are you doing in the water?
Hey Mario, where's Princess Peach?
Can I replicate his dance that he does at university?
Yeah, sure.
That one?
Yeah.
Mario.
Wow. Very good.
Mario. No, I sound like the Mario and Mario. Mario.
Hey, yo, that was good. Thwomp guy.
Oh. Boom.
Does he even make a noise?
He
It's
does.
just like-
He does.
It's like a thump, like a, like
Yeah. So
frog
if you
thing?
imagine it falling, what noise would it make?
Thump.
The thwomp guy. This guy.
Oh, I had him in Animal Crossing. He was like,
Yo.
But I don't know what sound he makes.
No, the thing in Mario goes. Sorry. No, he doesn't do that. The Waluigi Wah.
The what?
Waluigi Wah. Yeah, that's bro. That's actually really good.
Okay.
Oh.
Can you do Waluigi's Wah?
Maybe like.
No, the Wah, not the walk.
Oh,
that
the
was good walk.
I know he just says.
Yeah.
No, it's just that.
Wonderful.
Oh.
Wank you.
Wait. Ooh.
Thank you.
Maybe the other one might not.
Link.
everyone thinks I'm named Zelda, but I'm not. My name's Link.
I don't know what he sounds like. He probably sounds like a 12-year-old boy.
Yeah.
Whoa. I guess they're all Mario related, these ones.
Okay, I love it.
If Goomba could talk, what would be his voice?
Oh my god, the shrimp from Shark Tales. And then my sister had a baby, and the baby...
I'm a Goomba. I'm not a piece of even though I'm a shiitake mushroom.
Stop jumping on my head.
Why wasn't I born with hands?
Hey, what did I do to you?
Y'all got any ranch?
Got more of that. Hildegard. Polyworld rocks my world.
I didn't go to school. I went to rehab.
I mean, I feel like the typical would be like,
I got no arms. What am I gonna do?
but I think he sounds more like, I'm so sorry, Mario. I'm in your way.
I didn't go to school. I went to rehab. Polyworld rocks my world.
That's all our questions today. If you want to hear some anime or Pokemon questions with some pretty ridiculously clever answers, click one of these. And shout out to the long list of our channel members.